It's Saturday. I went shopping with my mom yesterday again because I wanted to go do another Forever 21 to see if they were having the sale. I still need to show you what I got at the sale. They were having extra 65% off clearance, and I needed to pick up some bralettes because that's like the only place I get my bralettes, and I ended up getting a bunch for like $1.25. That's why I go. So we went to that Forever 21 and they weren't having the sale, so I ended up just getting some other things that I need for my trip with Brian to Mexico, and I'm just getting ready to have a girls' night with my friends, and I picked up this yesterday and I really want to try it. It's the new e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Shape Tape, Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and it was only $4, and I'm really excited to try it. I've been having a lot of trouble with my under eyes lately because I got a chemical burn last week from a cleanser that I was trying, and it made just all the skin here want to peel off and get crusty and gross. So I'm gonna try this, see how that goes. They had a lot of really good pale shades in this new range. So if you're super pale like me and you are looking for a good concealer, like I don't know if this is good yet, so like wait and see. But I was surprised they had a lot of good pale shades. Normally they don't. They didn't have like they didn't have the best range, but if I was just pleasantly surprised that I actually had some shades to choose from. I'm not as pale as I normally am this time of year because in the summer I actually got a tan, and I'm going to Mexico, so hopefully I'll get tanner, but we'll see how this works. We'll see how it goes. See if it's good. See if it makes my under eyes look like I'm 125, because that's the problem I've been having. It's just nothing looks good under my eyes. And probably a dupe for Shape Tape, which is like the most full coverage dry concealer. It's probably not the best choice I've ever made, but we're gonna see how it goes. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you hold me tight. I love the way you squeeze, I love the way you tease, I love the way you kiss goodnight. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, for me. So, as you can see, it's very light. I think it's a little bit too light for me, actually, which I'm surprised. I thought it was going to be a good color, but it is really dry, which, to be fair, I don't think my under eye situation is going to be okay with anything right now because of that chemical burn. It did not cover up all of my darkness. You can still see the darkness peeking through. It's a little dry here, but I think with a little setting spray it should look nice. It definitely dries down to the point where it's not going to crease that much. Like, I have definitely had worse creasing, so I'm gonna see how it wears, and I'm like pretty excited actually because I think I can make it work. So I'll just have to see. It's only $4, so if I can get like a nice base for $4, I'm pretty happy. So I'll check in later with you and see how it wears throughout this evening with my ladies. I'm filming you.
Huh? Why are you filming me?
Show us the Thor robe. Why? He doesn't watch my videos, he won't know.
But somebody that does watch him is going to. I can't make it on my own.
This is what we do on a girls' night. We lay in Rachel's bed.
I'm looking for toilet paper holders.
Yeah, toilet paper holders. our thing that we need because we're almost 30, guys. I know you're all like...
obsessed with where my toilet paper goes. I am one old bitch.
We're under an anxiety blanket because, you know, we're old now and we have lots of anxiety. We got some nice fairy lights going on.
No, stop. Don't call them that. They're my lights and they're not.
Toilet paper.
Look at this shit. Who does this?
Who would put their toilet paper like that?
I don't know.
People...
It's got like something with teeth and wood and shit.
Yeah, I don't even know how it works.
Oh, where'd it go?
You don't know what I'm talking about? Cause my heart is
I'm done with friggin' my heart being in Ohio.
Yeah, this is the third time we listened to this tonight because we're that emo.
That one is so funny.
What one? Oh my god, why would you want it on the back of your toilet?
I feel like... look at him lifting his toilet paper weights.
I feel like I would drop it in the toilet when it was... Like, I
would.
was not in... Like, I dropped my comb in the toilet the other day.
I have a toddler, so everything goes in the toilet.
That sounds accurate. So I'm back. You might have seen the clip with my friends, but there's a long story. I ended up going up to pick up some wine and just a few things before I went over to my friend Rachel's, and my car decided that it wasn't going to work halfway through driving home. So then I was like, okay, well, I'll just take Brian's car. Brian's car wouldn't start. So we have a car dilemma that we have to deal with now. I still ended up going to my friend's because my friend Nikki picked me up. Shout out to Nikki. Thanks for picking me up. And then Rachel took me home. Shout out to Rachel for driving me home when it was icy. But I wanted to update you on this concealer. It's hella dry. My skin is super dehydrated right now because it's like the throes of winter and everything is terrible and my skin is just so dry. So it will probably be better when it's not as dry, but like I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see how dry it is. Like if you have oily skin, this would probably be great for you. I really did like how it dried down though. Like it's not tacky at all and it's just like it's there. It looks like it's like catching in all my dry patches, but if it wasn't catching all the dry patches that I have from this chemical burn, it would just look nice like a second skin. So I'm like, actually I'm really impressed with that, and I'm willing to give it another try when I'm not as dry. I think so far from wearing it one day, it's pretty good, but I'll have to wear it more than once obviously. For being $4 or $5, I can't remember if it was $4 or $5. I think it's promising because the other concealer that I use that's supposed to be a Shape Tape dupe is the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Contouring Concealer. I think that's what it's called. And it's $7, which is only like a few bucks more, but hey, if I can save a few bucks, might as well, right? If it's better. So far I think it's better. Because that one I can't wear at all when I'm dry. It's a no-no for dry skin ladies. So I have just been sitting here since I got home eating this cookie butter and Nutella mix. I've eaten pretty much the whole thing. I'm catching up on YouTube, trying to relax. I'm pretty stressed out from this car situation and just my life in general. My life is seemingly one giant dumpster fire that I have to fix, so I have a lot of things to work on in the next few days, but hopefully I'll be able to get some fun footage for you guys. And I'm having a lot of trouble editing these because my editing program just like does not like when I have a bunch of clips, so if some of these clips can't render outright, I don't know how I'm going to keep doing these weekly vlogs. It just becomes a headache every time I edit them, and it's really sad because I really like filming and I really like editing these, but Vegas can only, on my computer, only handle so many clips, so I'm trying to make longer clips at once so I don't have so many little clips. Hopefully that works. Hopefully this will go well. hopefully you guys are enjoying this. So I'm gonna say goodnight here. It's Saturday. Tomorrow, hopefully the car will be fixed and we'll be going to a Super Bowl party, so that should be fun. Good night. It would help if I plugged my iPod in, you know, so we could hear it.
Agencies will life to live at place and GH.
I'm waiting for a school bus. I don't even know if I'm in frame, so I'm really sorry. I don't have one of those car mounts, but I'm just going over to my parents. Gotta turn mom music down. I'm just going over to my parents to do some laundry because, like I said, we don't have a washer and dryer in our place, and I'm trying to get all of it done before it freezes again because it's currently 63 degrees and it feels like summer. These people are turning around because they really can't wait for the school bus. Like, yeah, because when it gets too cold at their place, the pipes freeze and then I can't do the laundry, so I'm trying to get it all done now so I don't have to worry. But I will update you when I get there. We're probably going to go on a walk. It's just going to be nice, and my car is finally working again, so I can enjoy driving around, which is my favorite. Like, I love driving. I love driving around. I love singing and listening to my music. It's just relaxing. I don't know if I'm in frame. I apologize. Hi, am I in frame? Alright, I'm gonna go because I'm pulling off my street now and I don't want to be distracted driving. No distracted driving, folks. I just got done filming a video, but I thought I'd finally show you what I got at Forever 21 2 weeks ago. Yeah, this vlog is going to be extra long because I'm going to Cancun next week, and obviously I'm going to film a weekly vlog in Cancun. Like, how can I not? But the past 2 weeks are going to be consolidated into one vlog for the week that I'm gone. So, I thought I would finally show you what I got at Forever 21. Mainly why I went was because I love their bralettes and everything was extra 65% off, and I have like 2 bralettes, so I wanted more. So I got this. This is so hard to do with one hand. I'm so sorry. This is awful. This pretty pinky lace one. This. My battery's dying. This pretty gray and pink one, and these were all like $1.50 each. $1.50. I think like I added up all the bras that I got together and it ended up coming to like $8 or something crazy, like for all of these. This one's my favorite, I think. I love that one. Where are all of them? I'm wearing one right now. I obviously won't show you that one. I got this one's like a true sports bra one, and then I got another one that matches it. It's like the same, but they're different colors, but I liked how they both fit, so I got both of them because they were $1.50. I think that's all the bralettes. That's a lot, and I told you I'm wearing one. Everything seems to be $30. $30 for all this stuff, so like I didn't even show you the rest of it. So then I got this amazing, I can't wait to wear this. I don't know why I haven't yet. I was waiting to show it off in the vlog. checkered sweater. I love this. I don't have a lot of yellow. I'm dying to wear it. This ended up being, what, like $4? Something crazy like that. And then I got this wacky, it's amazing, like chartreuse velvet jumpsuit. It's really long, so I have to figure out like how I'm gonna wear it because I am very short, but I can't wait to figure out how to wear it. I'm in love with it. It was like, how much did this end up being? Also $4, so that's crazy. And then the last two I got to bring to Mexico. I'm so excited about these, so you'll probably see me wear them in Mexico. Just this beautiful 40s inspired dress. I need to get the wrinkles out. 40s, definitely 40s inspired midi dress, midi dress that ties and it's super low cut. I'm thinking of wearing that pink bralette with it so you can like see under it. I don't know, it's really pretty. You can't really see what it's all about here, but you will see it on me in Mexico. And then that one was like $5 or something. And then last but not least, this is the one I'm most excited about. This rainbow romper. It was on the end cap. It was the only one left. It has this cool keyhole thing. It was the last one there, and it didn't say that it was on sale, but then they marked it for me, so this one was also $4, and it was the only one there, so it was like fate. And plus, it fits me perfectly, which I have such a hard time with rompers because they don't ever fit me right, because I guess I'm long-waisted or something. So they just like ride up my crotch, and they're never comfortable, but I'm so excited to wear this in Mexico along with that dress. I'm going to be having fun in the sun. So that's just what I got. I can't believe that I kept it all in the bag for 2 weeks because I was waiting to show it off. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I have a lot of footage from the past couple weeks of stuff that I did. So I hope that whatever ended up being in it was fun for you guys to watch, and I hope that you like these weekly vlogs. Let me know if you still like watching them, and then next week I'll be in Cancun. My vlog will be Cancun stuff, so hopefully that's fun. So thanks for watching, and remember, stay cheap and lazy. Bye!